Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, Amber from Planything was kind enough to send me over her November box as well as her latest sticker book, and I'm super excited to be diving in. So let's go ahead and just open this up and get rid of the box. That way it is no longer in the way. And so let's see. So this is her latest sticker book, Seasonal Florals. And both of these items are now available on her website. So I will leave my affiliate link down in the description box below. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sticker book first. And I already love the title of this one, Seasonal Florals. Like, that's just going to be perfect. So let's, oh, look at these bright ones. Those are going to be perfect for summer. So these are clear. And I love her clear stickers. And then we go into some boxed stickers, and these are paper. So we do get 2 sheets of each page. Oh, look at how pretty this blue one is. That is gorgeous. And so, ooh, this is pretty, like this orangey fall color. I cannot wait to use this one. We are still in fall, so I will be using this one. So again, it is now available on her website, so make sure you check this out. And let's go ahead and open up the November box, which is called Night Florals, which is so pretty. I am already loving the color. And so we have what's included with this subscription box. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side, and let's go ahead and open this up. I am loving the black already. And let's take a look. Okay, so that's everything. So I do see that we have 2 washi tapes. So this one has the black with the blue florals, and then this one is blue with snowflakes or stars. I believe they're stars, but they're so pretty. Like, how pretty is this color combination? I think it is gorgeous. And let's see. So we have this, and it is a sticker album, which is amazing. I already filled up the one that I have, so I am super happy that it comes with this as well. Like, how gorgeous is this print? I think it is so pretty. So let's see. Then we have some sticky notes. I love this print. I think the colors are just so beautiful. So we have quite a few sheets of this one, and she always includes a pen with her subscription boxes, and this one is the black with the rose gold, and isn't it just so pretty? I love this. And so let's see. I believe this one are some adhesive pockets. And I will be doing a plan with me with these stickers and paper and washi tape. So make sure you stay till the end to see that. But look at how pretty these are. So just self-adhesive. And then this one. Very, very pretty. I like that you could kind of see through them. That's really, really great. So let's take a look at these sticker sheets. So it's going to be 4 clear sticker sheets and then 3 paper sticker sheets. So we have the clear ones, which are going to be the floral ones. And then she does offer like this single floral one, because these are like bunched together. And then we have some single ones, which I think are very pretty. So these ones were the clear ones, and then we have some boxed stickers, and these ones are paper. I just love this color scheme. It is so pretty. So yes, these are going to be perfect to fit in the sticker album. So that is why I love when she includes sticker albums because her sheets just fit perfectly in here. And you could double it up. That way you can see it over here as well. And you get quite a few sheets in here. So I love this. So once I am done planning, I will stick them back in here. And then we do have some decorative paper. So let's take a look at the print. So here goes that snowflake or stars pattern, which I love. Nice and simple. And then we have this. Oh, I just think this is so pretty. And so then we have this print and this one. So everything is now available on her shop. Make sure you guys check her out. Everything is just so pretty. I love everything that's included. And remember that this subscription box is available as a monthly sub box or as a one-time purchase. But look at how pretty all of this is. So make sure you guys check her out. I will have my affiliate link down in the description box below. That way you guys can check her out and check out her other sticker books as well, because she also released an all-season sticker book, and I'm not sure if that one is available, but this one was just released and it is just so pretty. But let's go ahead and get into the plan with me. All right, so I decided that I'm going to do the plan with me in my Go Get a Girl planner that I am using as a social media planner. So let me go ahead and take it off of this Notiq cover. And then I'm going to be planning out the weekly spread for this current week. I already know that I want to use this long sticker over here in the notes section. So let me go ahead and lay this down. That way it is nice and out of the way, because I love adding these long boxes over here. So let's see. I'm gonna get rid of my paper clip. That way it's easier. That way I can line it up. So let's see. I think right about there. I like putting it more towards the top just because I can get decorative over here, and I also like doing some highlighting down there, so I like to leave that blank. Let's see what else we have. I was hoping to have one of the darker boxes. Well, actually we have this one, but maybe the black one would be pretty, like right over here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So maybe we can add that in the middle section, because in the middle is where I write my Instagram post for the day. So I think that would look pretty. But let's go ahead and add this black one, maybe hanging out right over here. And then that way I can like put a title here, to do or remember or something like that. So let's see. What else? And I know I love using like florals over here in this section. So let's see, a little cluster maybe? Or how would this look hanging upside down? Little weird, right? Because it would be perfect down here. But I use this area for highlighting, so let's just go ahead and add this clear floral. And I love her clear stickers. They're just so pretty. So maybe like that. I don't usually do this because I'll just have like bullet points here, but I kind of want to use these. They're just really pretty. So maybe I could like alternate, and that way not every single day is filled with one. So let's see, maybe right here. I'm trying to use the lines to guide me. So let's see, maybe that one there. And then this one could go over here. I just fell in love with this color scheme as soon as I saw it. It is just so pretty. Just trying to line it up. And even with lines, I still seem to not be able to do it. But there we go. And then one more. Let's use this lighter one. And then this one, we could flip it. Where is this one? So like right there, right? 1, 2, yeah. So there we go. And then let's see. What about if I used washi, maybe like over here? That would look pretty. But actually, I think what I want to do now is do my little highlighting down here at the bottom so I can kind of see what I'm working with. And then I can go from there. So let's actually make these lines. All right, so there we go. Now it looks more filled in and functional as well. So now I can keep decorating because now I can see where I have space, where I want more decoration. So let's see. I am still wanting to use washi tape. Where could I put it? It is just really pretty. Okay, I think maybe I'll go ahead and place this one down first, and then I'll layer it with the other one. So maybe like that. And then this one just on top. Oh, I think it's covering it a little bit. And I like that she does a variety of sizes. So one is thicker than the other one. It's just gives it a little contrast. So I love that. And let's see. So maybe like that. Does that look cute? Okay, let's see. Anything else? Of course, I'm gonna go back to the florals because they're just gorgeous. Let's see where I could place this one. This one is kind of like a corner piece, and I think it'll look really pretty. Even maybe like this as well. Or maybe even down here at the bottom. I think I like that better. So there we go. Okay. Very pretty. So now let me just trim off this little bit. All right, let's go back. And maybe we could even use this little scrap, maybe down here. That way we don't waste anything because we don't want to be wasting pretty stickers, right? So maybe there. And then what else? I feel like I want to use a little bit more of this washi tape. So maybe there, and now I think I just want to flip it. So I laid the thicker one down first, and I'm trying to get this washi tape at an angle. Okay, there we go. And then I'll flip it and do the other side. Let's see. Sometimes it just cuts straight, and I don't like that. So I'll keep trying, and now that just made it smaller, but let's see. Okay, so not bad. That looks cute. What else could we do? I would add it here, but we already have these lines going, so I'm not gonna do that. But let's see. Oh, and we did have the big florals too. And then some of these just plain boxes and the single ones. But I think I am loving this. I don't think I want to mess with it. Unless, there's always an unless. Maybe do something over here in the corner. Just like a little bit of washi maybe. I don't know, I felt a little bit too plain. I just love that she includes washi because I have been washi obsessed lately. And if you're trying to make some of your spreads maybe a little bit more functional, these are just amazing for like headers. Like in my daily spreads, like I'll line this right here and make headers out of washi tape, and it gives it a little bit of decoration while still keeping it functional. So I do love that. And let's see. So maybe like right there. Okay, I think I love this. And I'm going to leave it alone because I could sit here and just add so many more stickers and washi, but I love the way that this turned out. So let's go ahead and clean some of these things up because I have a washi tape graveyard over here. But that's usually how planning goes, right? It's just a lot of cutting and just making it fit. But I really love the way that this turned out. I think this November box is just so pretty. So like I said, I will leave my affiliate link down in the description box below so you guys can check out this November box. Everything is just so pretty. The colors, the theme, everything about this box is just really pretty. I love that. So make sure that you guys check her out. This box is just so pretty, and I just love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.